Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of your Surface Pen. This is where the battery is located. By simply pulling it out, we can open the cap and then we can see this is the old battery, the positive terminal facing toward the top of the pen. This is the new battery that I'm going to use today. This is a quad A battery. I have taken already one out of the packet. So new battery going in, making sure the positive terminal facing toward the top of the pen. And then let's push it back and our green light is turning on. It means the battery is well connected. Let's have a check with our whiteboard. It's working. We can draw, we can write. We also have an eraser on top. We can remove. That's it. Thanks for watching.